It's a random Sunday afternoon. You're lying on your couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly you see it. Some guy your age, posting about hitting his first $1 million. And for a second, your stomach drops. Not because you're jealous, but because you're genuinely asking yourself, is that even possible for someone like me? Because look, you're not lazy. You show up. You work hard. You pay your bills on time. But when you open your bank account, it definitely doesn't look like millionaire progress. Here's the thing though. Most people who hit their first million didn't get lucky. They didn't win the lottery. They didn't go viral overnight. They followed a pattern. A boring, repeatable, unsexy pattern. And once you understand it, that $1 million number stops feeling impossible. It starts feeling like math. If you want to actually change your financial life, hit subscribe. And stick around, because what I'm about to show you actually works. Okay, let's kill the biggest myth first. Most people think building wealth requires one big moment. The perfect investment, the right business idea, the lucky break. So they wait, and nothing happens. But here's what most people don't realize. Wealth is never built in one moment. It's built through small, boring decisions repeated consistently over time. That's it. That's the whole secret. So let's talk about how it actually works. 5 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Grow your income first. This is the step most people skip. They jump straight to investing. But here's the truth. Early in your financial journey, your income is your most powerful asset. Not your portfolio, not your savings account. Your income. Think about it simply. If you earn $40,000 a year and save 20%, you're putting away $8,000. But if you grow your income to $80,000 and keep the same savings rate, you're now saving $16,000. Same percentage. Double the income growth is more achievable than people think. Learn a valuable skill. Switch jobs strategically. Build a side income stream. Data shows that professionals who switch jobs every few years increase their salary 10 to 20% per move. Do that twice, and your financial picture looks completely different. Step 2. Stop lifestyle inflation before it stops you. Here's the trap. You get a raise. Life gets easier. And slowly, quietly, your spending grows to match your new income. Better apartment, nicer car, more subscriptions, more eating out. Before long, your income doubled, but your bank account looks exactly the same. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. Your brain adjusts to upgrades almost immediately and starts wanting the next one. The fix? Every single time your income increases, automatically save at least half the raise before you touch it. The other half? Spend guilt-free. This one habit separates people who earn well from people who actually build wealth. Step 3. Make the math work for you. Here's where it gets really interesting. Because most people think reaching $1 million requires saving $1 million. It doesn't. Let's say you invest $1,500 per month starting at age 25. The S&P 500 has averaged roughly 10% annually over the last century. At that rate, by age 55 you've crossed the $1 million mark. 30 years, $1,500 a month. That's the math. The million isn't hiding somewhere exotic. It's sitting inside consistent investing over time. Most people just never run the numbers. Step 4. Start earlier than you think you need to. 2 people. Same income. Same monthly investment. $300 a month. Person A starts at 22. Person B starts at 32. By age 62, Person A has roughly 1.1 million. Person B has about 440,000. Same money. Same return. 10-year difference in start date. Over $600,000 gap. The single most expensive financial decision you can make is waiting. Every year you delay is a year of compounding you never get back. Ever. Step 5. Build a system so simple you can't fail it. Discipline runs out. Systems don't. Set up automatic investing on payday. Before the money hits your spending account. Before your brain decides what it wants. The decision gets made once, and then it just runs on its own. Simple always beats sophisticated. Every single time. 5 years from now is arriving whether you're ready or not. The only question is what your bank account looks like when it gets here. If this video helped you see that $1 million number differently, hit subscribe and drop a comment below. What's the biggest thing standing between you and your first million right now?